What's up, guys? Welcome to the broadcast. Today we are going to be working on a collapsing roadside. We're going to show you the cause and one way to fix it. All right, guys, here it is. We have a hole. That's our head wall for the pipe. And what we've got here, I'm thinking, is water's come down this driveway and it's spilled over into here and it's just sitting and it's soaked in. And it's found a little bitty hole on this other side. And when water finds a hole, it makes the hole bigger. So let's get down in here and show you another one of the root causes here, so to speak. Then we got some organic material. That right there is an old log. Somebody has buried a log in here. And of course, we got a little bit of erosion under here. So what we could have done is put a piece of plywood up here, mixed up some concrete and back poured it. But obviously we've got some water issues going on. So I'm going to be getting some Saccrete and we're going to stack it up under here. That's the plan. That pipe's in good shape. It's been in there for a little while, but we've just had some undermining here, and I believe that that's probably been one of the root causes. So all we can do now is dig in and see if there's more wood under here. Hopefully there's not wood all the way across here. They weren't supposed to, but back in the day they would just throw logs down in these valleys to help fill it in. But you're supposed to put dirt in, do it in like 12-inch lifts, and pack it as you go. So let's dig in here and see what we've got. We're not going to put mushy stuff back. We're going to go get good fresh material to put back in here. Alright, guys, so we've gotten down to dry ground. We found the root of the cause, which was some rotting wood, and it was not very well compacted back there. I didn't have any trouble digging it out. So when they backfilled this, I don't suspect that they compacted it down. So we'll call that part one of this video, you know, finding the root of the cause, getting it dug out. Part two coming up will be fixing the issue. So you guys stay tuned.